Jam pada muncung tiup plastik ini.
Cause girls like you run around with guys like you to sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
Today I want to make slime tutorial. So before we start, you guys have to comment down below, like and subscribe, and turn on the notification button for my next video.
Shout out for the next video. So let's get started. First, you need glue. Next, you have a bowl or oh, I forgot. We need some spatula or
So first, you need to put some glue. Yep, I think it's done. Next, you can use color and also essence for me. So next, we have this activator. So
now work this whole thing out. So tell me, can we work this whole thing out? Work this whole thing out. Kiss and make up. Touch me like you touch nobody. Put your hands all up on me. Tired of hearing sorry. So make kiss and make up. How about we leave this party? 'Cause all I want is you up on me. Tired of hearing sorry. So make kiss and make up. Kiss and make up. So make kiss and make up. Kiss and make up. So make kiss and make up. Kiss and make up. You say love is messed up. You say that it don't work. You don't wanna try, no, no. Baby, I'm no stranger to heartbreak and the pain of always being let go. And I know there's no making this right.
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and with hashtag Isha and Isha Avenger. So yeah, for the shout out, okay? So next video I will put all the shout out for this video. So just wait, okay? Bye guys.